Bonk has been crashing. People are taking profit because obviously when the price rises that much, you want to rebalance your portfolio to a degree. We talked about Bonk very early. The first video on this channel was published on the 20th of November. And since then, the price went up by roughly 500%. Now have a look at this recent crash. This is not just a correction. This is somewhat of a crash, minus 33%. Should we buy the dip here? I don't have a crystal ball either, but simply just looking at relative valuations, Bonk is already 3 times the size of Pepe and needs another 4x roughly to be larger than Shiba Inu. So with a $1.5 billion market cap, maybe the air is slowly getting thinner. I'm not saying it can't go further up from here, but it's probably not going to make another 10x. Now, why did Bonk make this phenomenal rally? One of the reasons is, of course, the outperformance of Solana. What we have over here is a chart of Solana relative to Ethereum. And since beginning of the year, SOL outperformed ETH by 666%. Now, when we're trying to find the next Bonk, maybe it's not even on the Solana chain. Maybe it's now on another layer 1 that also outperformed. I made several Bonk videos and I got a lot of comments around a meme coin that's currently starting to take off on Cardano. Have a look at this. This is ADA relative to Ethereum. Cardano outperformed Ethereum by almost 100% in the last 2 months. And the interesting part around this is that the decentralized applications on Cardano are going up as well. Look at that total value locked change in the last month. Indigo plus 60%, MinSwap plus 60%, Liquid plus 70, MusieSwap plus 60 as well. So it's not just the Cardano price itself that's going up, it's also the usage. Let's dive deeper. This is the DeFi usage of Cardano. This is the total value locked, how much capital is currently being locked up or being used on the Cardano chain. And this is going up very, very nicely. This is measured in Cardano tokens. So this is already adjusting for the Cardano price. It's not just inflated by Cardano itself going up. In US dollars, this looks even steeper, even more impressive. Now let me show you the meme coin that everybody is now talking about on the Cardano chain. It's Snek. Today it went up by 40%. This week it went up by 90% almost. This month we're looking at a gain of 560% roughly. Now, in seeing those charts, it's always the big question, right? Are we too late? Because currently Bonk is crashing. Why shouldn't Snek crash as well? I think the answer here is simply what's currently the market cap. How much potential further upside is there? And are maybe people that made money with Bonk going to switch to go to something less liquid? The market cap of Bonk is 1.5 billion roughly. It's at rank number 50. It's the 50th largest cryptocurrency. Snek, on the other hand, has a market cap of 127 million and it's at market rank 349. In other words, even after a 10x from here for Snek, Snek would still be smaller than Bonk. Bonk profited a lot in the last part of its rally by centralized exchange listings. Snek so far is mainly traded decentralized directly on the Cardano chain itself. You can also buy it on MEXC. That's so far only larger centralized exchange. That's a potential kicker. Once it gets listed on OKX and on Coinbase and on Binance, then of course the price will go higher. Will those listings happen though? Your guess is as good as mine. I'm simply just pointing out risk to reward, right? When you get into meme coins, you don't necessarily want to get into the coin that has already risen that much that it takes so much capital just to make a bit of additional gain. Meme coins in general are pretty risky and you can only justify that risk if the upside potential is also existent. Full disclosure, I never ever pump and dump any coin on YouTube. A lot of other YouTubers actually do this. They buy now a very small cryptocurrency, they then shill this, they promote this on their YouTube channel, hope that other people buy in and then they sell for high. I do not own any Snek. And that's not because I think this is a bad coin to get into, it's simply not to get into this conflict of interest. The only way how I personally monetize this channel is with the premium membership. And we've got a very different strategy there. But I won't talk about that in this video. If it's your first time here, feel free to subscribe. I publish videos regularly. A like would be very much appreciated as well. It helps the channel grow. One more thing, there's a free Telegram. The link is down below.